Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. Today, my sister and I decided to take a small adventure. Nothing big, just something to feed the mind. So, here we are at the Nairobi Terminus, ready to ride the SGR all the way to Suswa. Honestly, sometimes I travel just for the journey itself. So we got inside the station, and I don't know why, but I always feel excited walking through here. There is something about knowing you're about to go somewhere new. I know everyone who loves traveling can relate, right? The best part of travel for me is always the views, and this makes me want to do this for hours. Here, a girl was feeling herself, and I don't know what it is, but train calms my mind. Movement, silence, scenery, everything just feels right. I hope everyone is loving the views. They are so beautiful.
She moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe, with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named, while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she moves keeps pulling at my chain. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance. She hums a tune I've never heard, languages I can't speak. She writes down cities on her wrist and dreams she'll never keep. I sip my coffee, miss my cue, still anchored by my fear. But time rolls on like open roads, and soon she won't be here. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance. Maybe next year in Madrid, or on some quiet mountain ridge, I'll see you turn and I'll be brave. But what if courage comes too late? Oh, traveler, the world is your open gate, and I just stood afraid of fate. If I don't take that step today, you'll vanish with the train, and I'll never see your smile again.
And finally, we arrived at Suswa. So hot, windy, dusty, but so peaceful at the same time. Through Met Village, where we had some choma, wet fry, and some other foods. So the choma was good, but the rest not so much delicious. But there was really a good vibe.